Max and I are driving over the paddocks to go to his place, and I'm staying the night over there, and we're gonna do a couple things over there. I'm in the Suzuki and Max is up front in the Rosa. And he's over there, and there's a creek crossing, little creek crossing over there, so we'll go to that, then go to Max's place. She hasn't got too much flex because of the leaf springs and stuff, but you know, still nice. So I've just been doing some fencing with Stewie down there, making like a ring around a tree to protect it. Don't know what we're gonna do now, probably go light a fire or go for a drive or do something along those lines. So we've decided to be on the trampoline tonight. So a bit like that. Max's is a nice real big one. Where is it there? That's my small one. So Max has got luxury and I've got half luxury. And we're going to keep the car right next to it here, so we can just get all our stuff. So it's kind of been lots of hours, and we've set up a tent on the trampoline, and we're gonna sleep on the trampoline in our swags. Then Max is coming up now, then we'll get up tomorrow and probably go for a drive or hang around or do something like that. So I'll see you in the morning. Morning. We woke up at the tents at about 7:10 or so. What time is it now? 9 o'clock, so it's been about 2 hours or so. We're about to go for a drive over the paddock. Max is getting ready and doing something. But I've got in Suzuki here. I've done 4K since yesterday. Not too much, but pretty good. Oh, Max is done. Right, gotta go. So we're heading off now in the Suzuki. Max was gonna bring his little car, but he didn't have enough fuel. But yeah. Oh Jesus. We're just heading up in the paddocks now. In my paddocks. Low range. Low range. The spark lead is grabbing on here, like this lead right here. Might be able to see it right there, little hole, and the spark's coming through there and hitting the engine block. So got to take that up before, and I think that's the reason why the spark and the idle's all off, because this is doing weird things. That must have been what was zapping me the other day. And that will in like that. So hopefully she's all fixed now, and we will go back and have a drive. home now from Max's. We just sat around playing iPad for an hour, so Matt's got to go to town and I've got to get home.